10mm and that's 70mm long and 10 bolts. 10mm tap and screw. 10mm tap and screw. Drill out the holes, do the tapping. I'm going to do a 9mm hole, 10mm tapping. 9mm hole, 10mm tapping, 10mm screw. 10mm drill piece, 10mm hole. Probably loads of ways of doing this, but guide holes. Comes on 5, 3 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Just gonna dip 10mm. Just gonna wash it. If you've done good.